Alright, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a trickier integral. Alright, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a trickier integral. It's going to involve a couple U-substitutions, but that is x cubed divided by the square root of x squared plus 1. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a U-substitution. Say u is x squared. We take the derivative, we get du is 2x dx, and when we rearrange for dx, we get dx is du divided by 2x. Now, another important thing is that x cubed is the same thing as x squared times x, or in our case, it's the same thing as u times x. So, when we make our substitution, we're going to write u times x divided by u plus 1, and then dx is du divided by 2x. These x's here are going to cancel, and we're going to move the 1/2 to the outside, and that leaves us with 1/2 the integral of u divided by the square root of u plus 1. Now, we're going to make another substitution to make this even easier. This isn't going to look like it does much, but what we're going to say is that u plus 1 is s. When we take the derivative of this, we get du is ds, which doesn't seem like much, but the important thing about this is that if u plus 1 equals s, we know that u is equal to s minus 1. So now we're going to make our substitution. We have 1/2 the integral of s minus 1 divided by the square root of s. This is important because it now allows us to break our integral into two separate integrals. We have 1/2 the integral of s divided by the square root of s minus 1/2 the integral of 1 divided by the square root of s. So s divided by the square root of s is just the same thing as the integral of the square root of s. And the integral of 1 over the square root of s is just 2 square root of s. So now the integral of this, 1/2, the integral of square root of s is just 1/2 times 2s to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 minus 1/2 times 2, so this is going to cancel, so we're just left with minus the square root of s, and then of course all plus c. So we notice that these 2's here are going to cancel, and so what we're left with is s to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 minus s to the 1/2 plus c. We can factor out s to the 1/2 from all of this, which is going to give us s to the 1/2 times s divided by 3 minus 1, all plus c. And now we can start substituting things back in. If you remember, we said that s is u plus 1. So what we have is the square root of u plus 1 times u plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, all plus c. And if you remember from the very beginning, u is x squared. So when we substitute this in, we get the square root of x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, and then of course all plus c. That's going to give us our final answer right here. Took a couple u substitutions, a couple clever tricks, but in the end we got to this final answer here.